arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing mock arbitration. A mock arbitration is a simulation of a real arbitration. It's often used as a training tool for law students or as a way for professionals to practice their arbitration skills in a low-risk environment. But before we get into the specifics of mock arbitration, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification so you can stay updated about crucial dispute resolution topics. Now, the participants in a mock arbitration will typically be given a set of facts and documents related to a hypothetical dispute. They will then present their case to an arbitrator who will make a decision based on the evidence presented. This process can be incredibly helpful for participants to gain experience in presenting their case, arguing points of law, and cross-examining witnesses. It can also be an opportunity for parties to receive feedback from the arbitrator on their performance and areas for improvement. In addition to helping participants develop their skills, mock arbitrations can also be a fun and engaging way to learn about the arbitration process. Parties or individuals can gain a better understanding of how an arbitrator makes decisions and what factors they consider when doing so. It can also be a way to learn about the differences between arbitration and litigation, and which option may be best for different types of disputes. Overall, mock arbitration can be a valuable tool for anyone interested in learning more about the arbitration process or looking to improve their arbitration skills. Whether you're a law student, a legal professional, or just someone interested in the legal system, mock arbitration can be a great way to gain experience and have some fun while doing it. So, what do you think about mock arbitration? Do you see it as being helpful to learn how arbitration works? Let us know in the comments section below. To access more information about mock arbitration and see why it can have such a positive impact, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. We do not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business want to open a new account or start an arbitration case. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications, so you receive updates about dispute resolution that can help your business thrive.